Are you craving for something warm, cheesy, and bursting with garlic goodness? What if I tell you it's made without any refined flour? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cakelicious Neha. Let's bake a garlic bread that is pure comfort with a whole wheat twist. So to make the base, in a large bowl, add whole wheat flour, mix in dry yeast, some sugar, little salt and drizzle some olive oil. Slowly add lukewarm water and knead it into a soft, smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest until it doubles in size. Once risen, punch it down, knead again for a minute and keep it ready. This is the same dough I have used in my previous pizza video. Soft, slightly chewy and wholesome. To prepare the garlic butter, take softened unsalted butter in a bowl, add freshly grated garlic, some garlic salt, mix herbs and oregano. You can also add chili flakes. Mix everything well to make a flavorful garlic butter spread. To make the stuffing, mix mozzarella and regular cheese, add boiled sweet corn and finely chopped colored bell peppers. Season with some mix of garlic salt, mixed herbs, oregano and chili flakes. Now, roll the prepared dough into a thick oval or rectangle. Place the stuffing on one half of the dough, leaving space at the edges. Fold the other half over like a calzone and seal the edges by pressing them down. Lightly score the top into portions using a pizza cutter or knife. Generously brush the top with the prepared garlic butter. Sprinkle a little more cheese or herbs if you like. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until golden, crusty and fragrant. Once out of the oven, brush again with garlic butter for extra shine and flavor. Rest for 5 minutes, slice and enjoy the cheesy, garlicky layers inside. Check the details of this recipe with step-by-step process mentioned in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your foodie friends and subscribe to my channel for more delicious bakes. Thanks for watching and happy baking!